It's our 3-ingredient holiday, food hacks. Sometimes I just say stuff. It's part of our 3-ingredient holiday. Today, it's caramel sauce. Have you ever had people come over and you're thinking, oh, I got nothing for dessert, maybe a store-bought apple pie, maybe store-bought ice cream. You can make homemade caramel sauce in your microwave with 1, 2, 3 ingredients. It's our 3-ingredient holiday. I got half a stick of butter. I'm gonna drop it into a microwave-safe measuring cup, and I'm going to take it over to the microwave. Got my butter, got my cup. I'm gonna stick it in the microwave for about 15 seconds. That's as long as it should take to melt it. All right, so you've got your melted butter. Give your heavy cream a shake, open it up, and then you are going to pour in, because there's 1/4 cup of butter in here, you're gonna pour in 1/4 cup of cream. So you're gonna get it right up to that 1/2 cup line. Perfect. You're gonna put in 1/2 cup of dark brown sugar. You can use light brown sugar if you want to. I just like the deep flavor that dark brown sugar gives. We're gonna measure that out in a dry measuring cup. And you can have store-bought ice cream, you can have store-bought apple pie, store-bought cookies, and have homemade caramel sauce on top. And this is how easy it is to make. Stir it up a little bit. Doesn't have to be perfect, just stir it up a little. All right. So now I'm going to put it back into the microwave for about 30 seconds. 30 seconds in the microwave. Do you have time for this? I think you do. Okay, after that 30 seconds, take it out. It's gonna be nice and bubbly, and you're gonna want for it to be ready, but I need you to stir it one more time, because we want it to be nice and consistent, and put it back in for another 15 seconds. 15 more seconds, you can do it, you can wait. I've got some vanilla ice cream here. We're gonna pour it on top. As the caramel cools, it will get a little bit thicker. And here we go, we're gonna pour this right over the ice cream. Oh yeah. And the other great thing is it makes a fantastic gift. You can put it into a little jar. And I like to cover it up with some salt too. Salt and caramel go really well together. You know how everybody is doing salty caramel? That's fantastic. I might put a little bit on the ice cream too. Oh, there's like a sea of caramel at the bottom. Yes.